Now we have a new project to get our hands on. We will build a car for a client this time. We are going to build a BMW F22 M2. Basically, the client has been here and giving us all the parts, the vehicle, everything. We have gone through the project with the client today, and now basically this project will start. And the goal for this project will be ending at Elmia. So the client wants to display the car at Elmia.
Yeah.
And I think it's going to be a really funny project to be actually doing for the client, because it's so different from what we are used to do.
Yeah.
We are only used to do our own stuff, but now
this is the client have bought very much bolt-on parts.
Yes.
So hopefully it's not going to be so much fabricating this time, but some fabricating is going to be. But so this is going to be really nice to put together.
And also to have a client that actually knows what it takes to do this kind of a project, because that's not easy task to getting hold of, actually knowing to what extent this is. It's a very big and ambitious project to do. But as you said, less fabricating and more bolt-on parts, because this is going to be a pro drift spec car, and to have special fabricated stuff in that case isn't the best, because if it breaks in any way, you cannot find the parts. So really nice to build with bolt-on parts as much as it goes. For now, it's basically sort everything out and put it in the shell so we can manage the things and then start building actually. The project has officially started. We have started to assemble bolt-on parts to get the hang of what we have, and if something is missing.
We unpacked all the packages and trying to go through everything and start putting up the big parts, like the front suspension, rear suspension, and we have already met some
minor issues.
That not everything that you bought that should possibly bolt on, it's not always bolt on.
It's 95% bolt on.
Yeah.
We started to look at the rear subframe, but quickly we came to a halt there, because we are missing a few bits and pieces for the rear subframe. The wheel bearing combination together with the Wisefab knuckles that we don't have. So we have to order the right parts for those things. And
the client was thinking it's going to be F22 parts.
Yeah.
But basically the Wisefab is built on a E90 base.
Yes.
So
he bought for F22 stuff.
So we must figure out which part we have to order.
Yeah. But the main thing today was to start a project, get a feel for if something was missing, and clearly we have seen some issues that we have to fix. But all in all, we had the front end is coming together, and we see how it looks. First time for us that we are going to actually bolt on these stuff for the F22 chassis, so quite nice to see how that's coming along. But we just wanted to say we have started a project, and if you like the things that you are seeing, Please like, subscribe, and if you have any questions for us, leave it in the comments and we will prepare answers as fast as we can. Goodbye.
Thank you.